Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings and then find storage, which for me is visible right here. So if I go to the very top, there we go. Next, click on your SD card, click on the three dots, storage settings, and then format. This will give you a message that formatting will remove all the data that is on the card, which I'm gonna select erase and format. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be, there we go, right about done. So click on done and that's it. As you can see, the card is formatted and now ready to be used once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.